She do be looking cute though. Look at Alex. She do be looking cute. I'm just gonna stare at her. She'll never know. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be using this all-seeing crystal ball that nobody knows. Okay, let's go hide somewhere. So last time I didn't do this, like I just bought this crystal ball game pass. So I'm just gonna hide in a locker. You guys can see my pin, there's nothing in here. Okay, let's glitch in the locker. If you guys don't know the glitch in the locker spell, this is how you do it. You go in the locker and then you just close it on yourself. Or if you're like doing a roleplay with a bully, then dang it! But if you're doing like a roleplay with a bully, then you could like, then he could like lock you in the locker. Yay! It did it! Okay, sometimes, so now we got this all-seeing crystal ball. Let's go out into the world and find, can I collect diamonds? Oh no, I can't. Boo. Okay, so there's some tea to spill over here. They're a part of nobody. Are you sure you're nobody? Oh, is there anybody in the, oh, there's two people here. Martha, got any tea to spill? Martha, yo mama. Mama, what are you doing? And why? Woo! Is there anybody in the secret place? No, there isn't. I wish I could go in people's derms. Wow, I'm so smart. Hello, miraculous ladybug with blue hair. Wow, she got an F. I thought miraculous ladybug was smart. Set a role model for yourself. Maddie. There's this one girl like eating by herself. They're like, I'm pretty sure. Anyone wanna be cheerleaders? Bruh. Okay, let's get out of my locker. I don't know why I make it 5632. Dang it! Now I'm stuck. Yay! Okay, so we gotta get. Oh yeah, I forgot. Oh, I'm stuck. Help me! Help me, someone! I'm gonna die here. Oof. Rest in peace, me. Okay, we're back here now. Let's go join the cheer squad, but then we gotta be super creepy. So as you can see, my name is I See You. I will join the cheer squad. I'm really sorry if you hear like stuff in the background. It's because basically like I will be in the cheer squad. So basically, if you hear anything in the background, it's the lawnmower. I picked the perfect day to film. I'm actually like at a hotel right now, and my computer is almost dead, so I needed to film this video like so fast. So this video can only be like 10 minutes long because I have to plug it in soon. Are you team captain? I see you. Yas, girl! I still see you though. I do the crystal ball stuff. Hey, no, it's my job to do the crystal ball stuff. Nobody else is allowed to do the crystal ball stuff. I see you. EQ. EQ is my name. Okay, everyone, put on your cheer uniforms on. Okay. Choose bubblegum annoyingly. I want to get fired from the cheer team. I don't even want to be on this cheer team. Whatever, I can just get rid of this. Buy my merch. Should I put my hair up? Nah, I'm too lazy. Okay, let's take off the corset. Yes, this is the merch. The weird girl. Yes, that is the new merch. Weird girl. So buy it. Buy the merch. Buy the merch. Buy the merch. Oh, dang it. I forgot I had this t-shirt on. So it won't show up. Oh, yeah. Can I take this t-shirt off? Reset. Yes, reset me. Dang it. I'm so short. Uh, give me a second. Oh my god, oops. I didn't mean to type that. Give me a sec. We gotta, as much as I love this merch, we have to take it off. We have to take off my limited edition. Just kidding, it's not limited edition. But I'd like to think it was limited edition. Okay, so let's take my weird girl shirt. Now we can reset. Goodbye! I died. I look so tall. You don't think I will? I don't care what it takes. I will still look ridiculous. I want to cheer while in heels. I want to cheer in heels. Yes, me, cheer in heels. Ugh, stupid thing. This stupid thing. Dude, can you not be in my face while I'm trying to change? Thank you. Wow, thanks. You actually moved. You totally moved. Totally. Can you not step over my dead body? I am trying to get dressed. That's not very nice. Stop it. Do not do that. Finally, I found it. Do not do that. It is not good. You are not supposed to do that. And, oh, did you guys just see that? Did my stuff just fell through the floor? And yellow heels. Oh my god, it's an eyesore. I love it. Iku. My name is Ice. Yeet Cheeto. Yeet Cheeto. Got any tea to spill? Okay, I'm coming back now. Let's go. Whee! I'm coming. Who's taller now? Okay. Weird flex, but okay. Nico is our captain. I do what I want. I do what I want. You can't tell me what I can and can't do. I don't care if you're captain. Oop. I'm not dancing. I'm not dancing. Period. And now we're gonna run off. Your avatar is still a girl. What? She just like, no, actually, let's go back and see what they say. Should we hold tryouts? Bruh, I'm back. I'm back. From the washroom. I'm from the washroom. Nope. I'm not in the cheer team. I'm just a creep who likes dressing up like they are in the cheer team. Lamo! 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 Little do they know, I am recording. Yes, girl! Nico, you have no face, and your mouth is closed. I hate these types of girls. Wait, to try to look all kawaii, but they're like dead inside. But they're like dead inside. Wait, what? Oh, wrong shift. Nico. I think I'm gonna end it here, guys. Hope you enjoyed.